PHP image CRUD operation. In this series, we are take a look how we can upload image into a database and how we can retrieve image, how we can edit, and finally we are deleting image by using its ID. Okay, in this first video, we are dealing with how we can insert image. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see that I am created one database called as example, and in here I am created one table called as file, and created two column ID with primary key and auto incremented, and file with the type varchar. Okay, in this column we are uploading a image. So let's start with coding. Open a PHP tag. Okay, so first of all we create one connection to database. MySQL connect function used to connect database, and it requires 4 parameters. Your host, in our case localhost, username, password. Okay, MySQL select database DB. It requires 2 parameters, the connection variable and another is database name. In our case example is our database name, is the database name. Okay, then we write query. Okay, so query is insert into table. In our case the table name is file. Okay, file, and column name is also file, and values. Okay, so we are assigning values. So here you can see that this is a simple form with action image insert .php, same name, same file name. Okay, method with post, and encryption type is multi part form data. Okay, here we have created one button for submitting, and one input type file for uploading file, and name with image. Okay, just we are copy if this image is clicked. Okay, if is set of dollar underscore post of that button name and open. Okay, so we are storing in one variable called as file variable. Okay, so we are if input type is text, we are using dollar underscore post. Okay, if input type is file, we are using dollar underscore files. Is a PHP is a two-dimensional associative array. Okay, two-dimensional associative array, super global array. Okay, of item which are being uploaded by HTTP post method and hold the attribute. Attribute name is name, size, and type. Okay, also it will contain attribute temp name and error. Okay, in our case it is two-dimensional array. First we need to pass this name of that input type is equal to files name, and another is name. Okay, name attribute, it is by default. Okay, So just copy it and paste in here. Okay, here our query is complete, so run that query. So MySQLi query function, first it needed connection variable, another is query. If we are checking if this query run is executed successfully, then we are displaying one message inserted. If not, then we are displaying error. Okay, it's time to run that. Okay, go your file and refresh. Here choose file, we are choosing one image and submit. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, copy. If this reset button is save, it's clicked. Okay, again refresh that, choose one file, submit. Here we are see that one message is inserted. So go to phpMyAdmin, check here. Here you can see that this one file is uploaded successfully with ID 1. Okay, so we want, if this query run is successful, then we want to store in one folder. So for that we created one folder called as image. Okay, so for that PHP have built-in function called as move uploaded file function, and this function it require two parameter. Okay, first this image file. Okay, and in here tmp underscore name. Okay, this attribute is required. Okay, and second is also is destination. So we have created one image folder, this image folder. So we want to move the file into that image folder. Okay, for that we created this statement. Okay, here first is image, second parameter dollar underscore files is first is image, name of that. Okay, this name of that file. Okay, and another is name, another is name attribute. Okay, so refresh it. Line number 21 says error. Okay, semicolon. Okay, choose one file. Here you can choose any PDF, etc. In our case we are choosing one JPG file and submit. Okay, we are getting success message. Okay, we are not displaying. So check here if this file is uploaded or not. Here you can see that we are uploaded this file into that folder. Okay, This move uploaded file is uploaded the recently selected file into that folder called as image folder we are just created. Okay, so that's it for this video of PHP image CRUD insert. First is insert operation. Okay, so thank you guys. Don't forget to check out my another video where we are retrieving a image from database into one form. So thank you guys.